So 2 sections here. This is Kivone Winter or Kivoni Winter of Black River. And alongside her, Safia Bennett of Port Antonio. And these two will be running from up top in lane 8.
Bennett of Port Antonio in 5th in the heptathlon, coming into this final event of the 800 meters.
So next on screen, this is Brianna Carr now of St. Hugh's. And this is the final event in the heptathlon. 2 tough days for these young ladies from St. Catherine High.
It's interesting, Jeremy, that the track events don't give as much points in the multi-events as the field events and the hurdles.
Yes. And this is from Stance Jadisha Mirage. And number 162, Daniel Brown Lynn of Convent of Mercy Academy Alpha.
In this section, we have...
On your marks.
Is Mirage the leader Daniel?
Yeah, so sent off. This is the first section of 2, 800 meters, the heptathlon, the final event in this particular discipline. And just a gentle pace early on.
The leader in the event is Kiana Walker of St. Andrew High School for Girls. She will come in the second section. This is Safia Bennett of Port Antonio. She is in 5th position, and behind her is BRITANI Barron of Edwin Allen. She is currently in 4th position. So both those ladies trying to lay down a time in this first section.
Yep. Shakira Marquise of Happy Grove is also right there.
Yes, Barron and Bennett trying to lay down a time in this section. If they want an opportunity to get the bronze medal that's currently occupied by Heidel's Janice Dunkley, who will run in the second section. So they're running for time here. They need to go faster than Dunkley of Heidel.
So these young ladies would be exhausted after 2 days of competition. The heptathlon, Bennett leading section 1 here of the 800 meters. It's pretty much led from start, and a gentle pace, and Coach Wilson, understandably, they would be exhausted, spent.
The seventh event after over 2 days.
Yes.
Very exhausting. There's a lot of resilience and strength.
Just doing enough to get through. This is Mirage, who's taking over the lead here. And just pressing now. So it's about 200 meters to go. She moves away from the pack. And I have a feeling that she might well not be caught this evening, but don't count your chickens before they're hatched. And Mirage now steps on the gas. And they're trying to not only win, but get a decent time in this first section. Mirage moving away from the pack. A powerful last, though, 120 meters in this 800 meters for Jadish Mirage of St. Andrew Technical comes across the line now to win section 1. 2 minutes 33.75 for her. And the rest of the pack to come across now, including from Happy Grove, Marquise. And so that's the winner. Jadish Mirage of St. Andrew Technical winning section 1 of the heptathlon 800 meters. Will be.
She's 7 coming into this 800 meters.
So 2:33.73. She'll Be hoping to score enough with that to possibly move up in the final placings.
Not necessarily in the top 3 positions, I doubt, unless those 3 persons perform poorly.
This is Kivoni Winter of Black River, who is finishing up. Of course, Coach Maurice Wilson, Black River High, there in St. Elizabeth, and one of the towns out west that was really hit by Hurricane Melissa last year. And it's just kudos to schools such as Black River High, who have managed to put together a team and have continued to train even in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Young Kivoni Winter there finishing up for Black River High out of St. Elizabeth.
Jermaine, I heard you mention hit, but I would say devastated, because I was there on the second day after the hurricane, and